Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this trade is, guys. Stay to the end of the video if you guys want to figure out exactly how I sniped this. And hold on, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the free Discord, link in bio, to talk and communicate with other traders and grow together. All right, y'all, let's get straight to it. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Nell here, back with another video, guys. And I'm going to go over this trade I took today, how I was able to make $4,710 across my 5 evaluations, which mean I had 942 across each of those accounts. Popping up for you guys as I'm talking here, and also going to pop up some certificates just so you guys can see that I actually know how to trade. Sorry guys, pretty simple. Coming into the day, there was already like a pretty massive gap that I saw that needed to be filled. So I saw this, and this was like something that alerted me, and I'm just like, okay, we're either going to do a few things here. We're either going to not touch this gap at all and just kind of go on with our day and maybe come back to that next week. Not all gaps do get filled, these like major gaps, but most do. But or we're gonna come down, retrace, or just close out of it, inverse, and continue lower. So I was just betting on us at least touching it, right? So with that in the back of my mind, we moved down to the 5-minute time frame, and what I noticed here is that we were already forming some sort of move down. I already was noticing that. So around the time, let's see, it was around like 9 o'clock, right? 9:10. I saw this fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. Now, once again, I am sticking to the 5-minute time frame until I realize that we are trending again on the market. So this is just how I trade. Just a little bit of discretion, but it's still within a strategy. So we entered that. We had a breaker structure out. I understood that I am ready to enter here. Set my take profit at about 100 ticks and my stop loss at 100 ticks as well. Now, I only did 100 ticks because that's just a little goal that I have for myself for my express funded accounts, because I'm not trying to risk and try to win too much. I'm more so for the small wins, but I definitely was like very confident that we were at least going to touch this gap. And look, if you had your take profit right here, which is very reasonable, guys, boom, look at that. And then even more, if you wanted to be a little more risky and said, okay, let's set our take profit at the bottom of this gap or even 50% mark of this gap. Once again, guys, you would have also hit it. Same with the bottom of it. And yeah, the moment we inversed it, that's another sign that we could have went for the Asia low, which is also what we did today. Amazing trading day, guys. This is the possibility of this exact setup. My take profit was just small for my personal account goals and account reasons, but like if I didn't really care about that, I would have definitely went for this Asia low, and you guys see how much I would have won. But I was able to take the original 1-to-1, quick and out, quick, easy trade. And that's pretty much how I was able to get in and get out today. And guys, this is what it looks like on the hourly as well. And we ended up inversing on the hourly as well. So we're most likely going to go down for the rest of the day. This is where we are now, the live chart. I can see us coming back up into this fair value gap that we just created and retracing out of that. Only way I see us continuing higher is in the same way, reversing, but in the opposite direction, us inversing and continuing higher. But I don't really know what is going to happen, but I was able to get in and get out. Really quick, fast trade today, guys. And this is what it's all about. Tomorrow, I'll maybe be able to potentially take a payout, so I'll make a video on that of what it looks like to request a payout tomorrow, God willing. But all right, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.